Tired of struggling financially? Learn how to make money online. It can be easy to make money on the internet if you are determined. In fact, it takes very few supplies to get going. However, you do need some basic knowledge. The following video provides that. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Be prepared to verify who you are if you plan to make cash online. Just like you need to give this information to workplaces you walk into in person to work at, you'll need to do the same online. Get a copy of your ID before you apply anywhere. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards, and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Be sure to have many revenue streams active at all times. There aren't any online money-making opportunities that come with guarantees. Something you may make money with now might not be there tomorrow. Therefore, it is in your own best interest to work for a few different people/businesses. This way, if you underperform in one direction, you still have different kinds of methods you could use. When you have these great ideas, you'll see that you don't have problems from here on out with making money on the internet. With more knowledge, it will be easier to begin. Search online for other videos to learn more so that you can make sure that you have financial success. Student loan.